Miss Rhoadie's top 20 best-selling products for 2022. So these are some quick stats for my Miss Rhoadie store. I opened my store in June 2013. 35% of my products that are currently for sale has sold at least once. And currently, I have 2,362 items for sale. My top 20 best sellers. Number one, greeting cards. So any product that has an asterisk beside it is also one of the categories that appears on my other video, which discusses the top 20 best-selling items on Zazzle. So I like to compare, which ones from my store is in line with what's selling on Zazzle overall. Because some from my store, appears on the same list that I made for my previous video. And then there's other items that I sell that are unique for my store, that's best selling for my store, but may not be on Zazzle's top best selling list. So this is my most popular greeting card, the Happy Father's Day. 2, t-shirts. So t-shirts, they're my second best-selling product. And this is an example of one of my best sellers. Number 3, Post-it notes. So as you see, this doesn't have an asterisk. So it's one of my best-selling products. It's my third best-selling products. But basically, it goes to show that what you sell is unique to your store. It's unique to your customers come to your store to buy unique products. So it may not be one of the more popular products that you see on Zazzle's website. So this is an example of one of my popular Post-it notes, one of my most popular Post-it notes. Number 4, tissue paper. So many of my customers, they come to my store to purchase tissue paper, themed tissue paper for graduations, birthdays, different various themes. Number 5, postcards. So this is an example of a postcard, and I took this on one of my older iPhones. It's a postcard of the James River, and it's one of my best-selling postcards in my store. Number 6, face masks. So face masks are one of my top-selling products for Miss Rhoadie. 7, bath towel sets. So this is my most popular bath towel set, and that is something that I sell a lot of with my store year round. 8, pillows. So my best-selling pillows is this elephant birth stat theme pillow. Number 9, wrapping paper. So wrapping paper is something that is one of my top sellers, and I sell it mostly during the Christmas season. As you can see, this is like a candy cane stripe wrapping paper. 10, Christmas stockings. I also sell a lot of Christmas stockings, in particular photo Christmas stockings. And as you can see, this says Taylor's First Christmas, so you can upload a picture of your baby, or it can be your family's first Christmas, because you can customize the text to reflect what you want it to say. 11, puzzles. So personalized photo puzzles, they're my top selling puzzles. in my store. So you can easily upload your favorite photo of your family and just customize the text. Number 12, bottle openers. So these bottle openers, they're one of my top selling products, and I sell a lot of them during the holiday season. 13, tote bags. I also sell a lot of tote bags. This is my most popular tote bag, but I sell tote bags in general. 14, pencils. So that was surprising that pencils, there's something else that I sell a lot of. And they may not be the most popular product on Zazzle, but they're popular in my store. 15, leggings. So one of my increasingly popular items that I'm selling are leggings. And this is something that's just catching on this year. I've noticed leggings. 16, water bottles. So water bottles have always been something that's popular that I sell. Um, they slowed down a little this year. However, I'll keep creating them to attract new customers. 17, license plate covers. License plate covers is something that I sell a lot of throughout the year, and this is my most popular design. 18, car air fresheners. And this is supposed to have an asterisk beside it because it also appears on the Zazzle top 20 best-selling products list. So just a simple photo template with the name of the family is what sells in my store. 19, coffee mugs. This is one of my best-selling coffee mugs. It has a photo with best grandpa ever. So it make a great gift for Father's Day, Grandpa's birthday, holidays. Number 20, golf balls. So monogram golf balls, they're one of my top selling items in my Miss Rhoadie store also. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.